Want to save your Elementor Form submissions to Google Sheets? In this video, we will discuss how to connect Elementor Forms to Google Sheets using our plugin, FormsDB. First, make sure that you have installed and activated Elementor and FormsDB for Elementor Forms. Now, navigate to the Elementor section, click FormsDB, and then go to Forms to Sheet section. Here we can edit our existing form. Click on this Edit Form button. If you want, then you can also create a new form. Scroll down to Actions after Submit. From the drop-down list, choose Save Submissions in Google Sheets. New section labeled Save Submissions in Google Sheet will appear. First, choose the sheet where you want your data to be stored. If you want to create a new one, then click Create New Spreadsheet and give it a name. Next, enter the tab name. Then select the specific form fields you wish to save in the sheet. Once done, click the Create button. The sheet will be generated. Now, open the file to see your selected fields as column headers. Return to Elementor and publish or update your page. Next, let's preview the form. Enter your details and click Send. Entered data will be automatically submitted to the sheet. Now, whenever someone fills out the form, the data updates automatically in the Google Sheet.